Hi guys, I'm Lina, and I'm gonna tell you the story of me camping in my car for 3 days because of a ultimate frisbee in Durango. So the first time I tried it, it was my head is near the trunk, and then I put 2 of my back seat down, so my legs is towards the driver's seat. However, my back seat doesn't go all the way down, as in like there's a space in between them, so it's not like completely flat. So sleeping like this, and it's not the most comfortable spot to sleep because my back hurt. Another spot that I was trying to sleep in my car is my sleeping bag horizontally. My head is close to this door. You can't really see it, but I was sleeping like this. I was sleeping like this. Again, it's not good for my back because I'm paying for it right now. And I was turning and tossing all the time in the middle of the night. Yeah, and I got one more spot. The third spot is me sitting in the driver's seat and reclining my seat all the way back and try to sleep like this. That's a no. So overall, my sleeping experience or camping in my car is not the best, so I gotta change that for the next time. But yeah, other than that, that was my sleeping situation.